Getting the trench soaked up a bit. After I do the full perimeter like this, then we'll go back and start injecting it into the soil, since it'll be softened up, and I'll get the top 6 inches will be pre-treated. And then after we finish, we'll put the untreated soil back on top. We had like 2 or 3 inches of untreated soil on top, so you have like minimal to no exposure to the termiticide, which is pretty safe. It's done on the outside and it lasts a few years, on top of not having termites. So you can have like 8 years to 20 years protection if no termites come in the zone after.